Gone are the days when you were supposed to handle heaps of data manually. Welcome to the future of academic writing. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Bookworm and welcome to all of you in my channel. If you are someone stuck with your literature review and don't know how to proceed further, but you believe that there should be a better way of writing your scientific literature, then you are at the right place. So today we are going to dive deep and leverage the power of artificial intelligence to supercharge the process of writing literature reviews. Whether you are a fresher or you have an experience of writing literature review before, after watching this video, the way you are writing your literature review will be completely changed. So in this video, we are going to discover the top 3 artificial intelligence tools that can 10 times enhance your speed of writing your literature review and the quality of your literature work. So stay tuned by the end of the video and let's go to our computer screen to discover our top 3 gems. So the first tool in our top 3 AI tools for literature review is OpenRead, and this tool is very helpful to review your literature and to find out, extract the details from your targeted papers. So you can either upload your paper which you want to analyze and extract a particular information from it, or you can also perform a search to find out the relevant papers and then extract the summary and extract the ideas from that paper that you can utilize in your literature review. So we are just typing wastewater treatment and we will search this to find out if it is able to find the relevant literature. So we just need to wait a little because this tool is a bit new and it can be a bit time consuming, but obviously it is potentially a very strong tool that will in later days become a very helpful tool for your literature review. So you can see it has found out several papers related to wastewater treatment, and whichever paper you want to see, you will just click on that paper and it will extract all the information for you. So one of the key aspects while writing a literature review is to analyze the quality of the paper. So it comes up with the citations, number of citations a paper has, and the date of publication, so you can always use the latest ones in your literature review. Also, it summarizes the paper in a very good manner. So you can see here is the abstract, a short summary of the abstract. Here are the figures, so it extracts all the figures from the paper along with the figure legends, and you can see and compare the figures. Sometimes you are trying to find out the ideas for figures, so it is a very good tool that extracts the figures of the paper and you can compare and contrast to get extract the information you want. Then you have the option of paper espresso. In that part it summarizes the paper. uh, the full paper summary is given and then by paragraph summary is also given. So in this section you can get a very targeted summary of each of the heading available in the paper, and then you have the option to perform Q&A. So you can just type either the questions you want to extract the information from the paper, or you can choose the recommended questions. So I will just click on the what are the highlights of the paper and ask now, and it will perform the search and will bring the key highlights of the paper. So it would be very easy to read any paper you want to extract the information from, and this tool is very helpful. So you can always use this tool to extract information from the papers that would otherwise take a whole day to extract the information. So it has come up with the highlights of the paper, and you can see the number of citations, you can see the publication date, so you can analyze the quality of the paper and its whether it is recent or not from this information. So moving forward to our second tool, which is Visio.app, and this tool is a very fine tool to help you in writing your literature review. So if we just go to I already have created a login for this, so you can just click on the new project and it will open up a new project for you. And yes, when you get a new project you will also get this tutorial if you are new to this website. So it has already recommended you different headings that you would require to write your literature review. You can choose the article type from here first of all. So I will choose systematic review, and choose the tone of the article. So I will use academic. So, and the keywords we will use wastewater treatment. So save it. And once you save it, you can either use these headings as such, or you can provide your own title. So I would say that write a systematic review on microalgae based wastewater treatment. So after writing the title, you will just select it, and you will have multiple options here. First option is to get AI suggestions. So under this heading, whatever information would be suitable, it will recommend you and suggest you. And the second option is to correct grammar. If you already have written something, you can paste it here and then check the grammar. So you don't need to buy the expensive tools like Grammarly to improve your grammar now. And then there is a very helpful tool to translate into English. So if you are an international student and English is not your primary language, then you can always write in your own language, and then it will automatically translate it into English. And then we have find references option, where which you can use to add references in your text. So I will click on get AI suggestion. First of all, to get something written under the heading, so it will give you multiple suggestions. So it will give you multiple suggestions, and you can choose the best one you think, obviously after reading it. So you will copy from here and then paste it here, right? So also, if you want to add a citation in a particular sentence, you will just choose the sentence, and then you will click on find references, and it will come up with all the suitable options. And make sure you always cross check and confirm that the information you are writing is available, um, as it is very important to follow the academic integrity and ethical rules while writing your literature review. So I have already gone through the character count, so it is not coming up with the result. So either you need to if you have the limit fulfilled, then you need to upgrade to the premium. The third tool in our list is the best tool available out there that can help you with your literature review writing. And this tool is the most advanced one and highly recommended and used by the academicians across the globe. So this tool is called Jenny.ai. Supercharge your next research paper, research and write your next paper with Jenny.ai. So I already have created an account here as well. So I would just go here and type a title. So here we have the title. So once you write the title, you don't need to give any further instructions, and it will all automatically come up with the suggestions. So abstract should be the first heading of your review article. So it already given you the suggestion. So and it started writing. So you can just choose, and it is also adding references automatically and coming up with the next sentence. So just by waiting 2 to 3 seconds, you are going to get a suggestion for the next sentence, and you can read that sentence and see alternative as well if you don't like it, right? So again, if you want to add a citation, you will choose the sentence and click on cite. Once you click on cite, it has the ability to find through the library. You can upload your PDF files in the library as well, from the journals and from the websites. So again, you can see the detail when the paper was published and how many citations the paper has to assess the quality of the paper and its timeline. So it is always helpful while writing your literature review. So you can just select it and the citation would be added. So you can also change the reference style. So we have APA 7, which is most commonly used, IEEE, Harvard and MLA 9. So you can choose whichever format you want to write. So you will also be have the freedom from formatting your references. Another very good feature that Jenny.ai brings is that you can directly chat with Jenny to find out the question of your interest. So I'm just saying So I have already done this question. So I want contents for this review, and Jenny has created all the contents for this particular review. So you can see it is a very fine suggestion and it comes up with the suggestions very quickly. So it is one of the most efficient tools out there to help you in your literature review. Again, it has a limit for the free account. If you want to use it unlimited way, then you need to upgrade. So you have seen how AI has transformed the process of writing your scientific literature, and you can use all these three tools to improve your scientific writing skills. Obviously, you have to follow all the ethical and academic integrity rules while using such AI tools. Make sure that you cross-check the references that you are adding and you cross-check the information that you are actually writing. So this will help you a lot to increase your speed and to save your time for formatting of the citations, references, and building the contents for your literature review. So I hope this video will help you with your upcoming literature review and you will change the way you used to write in your scientific assignments and your scientific articles. So before going, make sure you subscribe our channel for such latest videos on AI scholarships and study abroad. So with that, this is Dr. Bookworm signing off. Thank you.